This is not a spaceship toy but a TWS. I only bought this one just for this cool looking spaceship design. This is Boult Audio UFO priced at only Rs 1200. Although it looks really cool, it must sound well to get into my recommendation list. So I decided to try it and make a video to share my experience. Hey guys, I'm Dipankar and today I'm gonna talk about Boult Audio UFO. This is the retail box that has the photo of birds at the front and key features on the back. Now let me quickly show you the unboxing. Here is the first look of Boult Audio UFO. This charging case looks really cool with its UFO design. The lighting effects give it extra points for the design. The case is slightly bigger, but that should not be a problem. The build quality is also really good and it can easily survive accidental drops. I dropped it a few times while recording the video and luckily it survived. This unique charging case has LED lights at the front offering a breathing effect. This looks really cool. When you open the case, you see 4 LED array that turns on one by one. This also acts as a battery level indicator. Light stops at the current case battery level. If it stops at the third light, it means the battery level is between 50 to 75%. If you look at the back, there are 2 Type-C ports for the charging. When you put it in charging, the front LEDs will keep blinking until charging is complete. Once it is fully charged, the front LEDs will keep glowing, so you know it is the time to unplug the charger. Buds offer a unique in-ear design with LED light. Buds fit properly and provide a comfortable experience. You also get extra ear tips to choose the one that gives you the perfect fit. There are touch gestures to control tracks, sound and calls. You can also activate Siri or Google Assistant for hands-free operation. Tapping on the bud also provides a clicky feedback, so you know you are tapping right. The only issue here is the slight delay. For example, a single tap should pause the music, but it takes around 2 seconds to pause after the tap. Buds are also IPX5 water resistant to make them good for daily use. You get a comfortable experience, so keeping them on for a long time won't be an issue. Now let's talk about sound quality, and these buds are truly impressive. Trust me, I did not expect this quality of sound from a TWS of this price segment. The 13mm audio drivers ensure crystal clear audio. It offers clear vocals and punchy bass. I tested these buds with a wide range of songs and got a nice music experience. You will surely enjoy listening to music, watching videos and playing games with Boult UFO. The passive noise reduction works well and prevents your music from leaking out. There is also a 45ms ultra low latency mode for gaming. Tap on any of the buds 4 times to enable the low latency mode. It will also provide a voice prompt saying combat mode to confirm it has activated the low latency mode. When you are gaming, LEDs on the buds will keep blinking. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures quick pairing and stable connection. As soon as you take buds out of the case, it quickly pairs with your phone. Buds also support single mode. Only take out one bud from the case and connect it to use in single mode. This is not a big feature, but many people want it, so here you have it. There is a quad mic setup with environmental noise cancellation for offering a good calling experience. The noise cancellation is quite effective, so there is no problem in taking outdoor calls. I have been using these buds for around a week and never had any issue with the calling. Another good thing is the companion app that you don't get in the budget TWS. Install the Boult Amp mobile app, then you can customize your music and buds control. There is an equalizer to fine-tune your music experience. You can also change touch controls as per your interest. The app also has quick clean and dehumidifier options. Getting these features feels good, but I'm not sure how well these features work. Battery life is another impressive feature of Boult Audio UFO. The company claims 48 hours of music playback, and I got around 44 to 45 hours with mixed uses that includes music, movies and calls. At just Rs 1200, Boult Audio UFO is one of the best TWS you can buy. I'm truly impressed with its unique design, audio performance and battery life. This is a value for money product that ticks all the boxes. If you are thinking of buying Boult Audio UFO, you can get it without a second thought. That's it for this video. If you still have any question, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.